Y'all, I've been back in the woods, chilling with the dogs, trying to get back to myself. So y'all put y'all's hands together for this. Cause, see y'all back on my... Hey! See y'all back on my bullshit. I'm back on my bullshit. From way down in the woods, bitch. I've been smoking and drinking and doing that cool shit. Walking around with a fool pussy. You know I ain't a fool, bitch. The way daddy raised me is crazy and wild. So I'm walking you down with a smile. In seconds I'll beat you like Tekken without any weapons. That's just how my mafia step. No play where I stay. We don't fake or portray any false images. Yeah, we do what we say. If I tell you to jump, you don't ask me how high. Bitch, I'm solid. I'm standing on mine. I love all the fans cause they keep me in line. The love and support is when I need to shine. So get on your bullshit and I'll get on mine. And hopefully that shit don't get intertwined. I'm going full throttle, lightning in the bottle. I'm destined for greatness, call me the Aristotle. Laid up with the model way back in the woods. We rockin', we rollin', baby, it's all good. We wildin', we hollin', we hillbilly ballin'. We shootin' it out when we shoot us a deer. Fuck the kid, I'm the slickest motherfucker around here. Representing GA and how we do it down here. Shout out Big XL, shout out Dunbar, shout out Mike Bama. Rivermud Mafia, baby.
This is one of them ones you just gotta fucking do.
Hey, I don't really care about what anybody doing. I'm a monster, the kind they can't ruin. Everybody dies by the ring, don't do it. I don't really care about what anybody doing. I'm a monster and I'm the kind you can't ruin. I don't really care about what anybody doing. I'm a monster, the kind they can't ruin. Everybody dies by the ring, don't do it. I don't really care about what anybody doing. I'm a monster and I'm the kind they can't ruin. Hey, tell these motherfuckers that I said nothing. Don't click my buttons. Might accidentally nuke something. I'm Vladimir Putin when dropping the beat bubba dang. I'm in the gang, a bottle of Bombay. I got the sauce, like I'm sauce. Walking the parkway, running lane so long on the interstate. Y'all graffiti the face, sitting sideways on the wall. Bullets, mullets, burning, rubber, burn it, puff it, country, cousin, red dick, mutton, drink it, smoke it, send it. I don't care, fuck 'em. Cause this shit right here, hillbilly fucking. 28s on the money car load, it's old and rusted. Hit the game while I drive in the seat, I pour the paint. Bucket, gear shifter, log and chain loaded at each link. Pioneer radio inside a stuck it, rock CD. I can't fall with the fall, the lame, the same gimme gimmick. Many wanna slay me, but I'm not a rookie. Raw with the raw, a game of place. Many try knocking me off and saying they didn't do it. And I ain't even worried a little bit. Enemy illegitimate, hippopotamus, the hip hop stepping them, getting them really dead. Neck really red, painted pencil, hit them with a pistol whip. Logo looking for the shell case, cause there ain't none. Pencil tip. Hey, I don't really care about what anybody doing. I'm a monster, the kind they can't ruin. Everybody dies by the ring, don't do it. I don't really care about what anybody doing. I'm a monster and I'm the kind you can't ruin. I don't really care about what anybody doing. I'm a monster, the kind they can't ruin. Everybody dies by the ring, don't do it. I don't really care about what anybody doing. I'm a monster and I'm the kind they can't ruin. I don't really care what anybody doing. I don't care if anybody viewing. Fuck a hater in the streams. I'ma eat them. Freddy Krueger already been proving. Everybody watching everything I'm fucking doing. But I don't really care about that either. Stupid ass fuck stick, dumb bitch, punk pussy, cut lip. Hope you get hit by a dump truck in a dump ditch. On fire like a Uzi when I dump clip. Look at this dude doing saying some dumb shit. Sorry, can't hear you over all of these lines. I'm playing my goals and my platinum records at the same time. Like a beautiful train wreck. Hated guy. Shout out to my boy in Memphis 10. That's Lil White. Go ride the whip. I was sharp silk. Riding through the club with the barbed wire bitch. All the game like a Tennessee and gooseneck hitch. Blue suede on the car, rap genealogy stitch. From the logs too heavy for a weak stick. White with your fly, 3-6. Rocky Top Mafia, who gonna stop me? Cause I'ma keep going even if I don't make a dollar, bruh. Make me broke, see if I still come to the rug, motherfucker, what's good? Hey, I don't really care about what anybody doing. I'm a monster, the kind they can't ruin. Everybody dies by the ring, don't do it. I don't really care about what anybody doing. I'm a monster and I'm the kind you can't ruin. I don't really care about what anybody doing. I'm a monster, the kind they can't ruin. Everybody dies by the ring, don't do it. I don't really care about what anybody doing. I'm a monster and I'm the kind they can't ruin. I don't really care about what
Smoking trees, I'm right around. Come to my side of town. Lately it's been going down.
Since the day that I came in the game, all gas, no brakes, had to make a way. I'm never running out of fuel to never take away what I've been training my whole life for. I'ma make them pay. I'm bringing eruption to the game, and that was judgment day. I'm number one, I was someone, I got something to say. Can hear me coming up in church from a block away. We coming up in this bitch and running with that plot and pray. A lot to say, but they can tell I'm not afraid. I'm being trade with the shovels on a plot for grace. I'm loading up an ammunition, let the chopper spray. They bustin' shop and they go strays, put that Glock away. And when I bustin' back at them, I bet the shots won't raise. I was raised up with loyalty, I would not betray. Cause I was made to be royalty, I am not a slave. You plotted never gon' fool me, know I cocked the gauge. They've been hoping I do, but we'll run out of fuel. Cause my fuse is lit, nigga, that's just what I do. Bro, it's futile, if you with me, dude, you just through. Threw up with the cuckoo's my screws are loose. You old juicy fruit bitches, you bout to get chewed up and spit out. Not fucking with me, I'm that dude. Picking it up in your bookie shit without no root. Cause your whole crew is faggots, y'all butt fucking dudes. I've been stacking the bodies and funeral pews. It's inside of the church, man, you'll die in the loo. We don't do the same numbers, I'm not buying views. You would never be Ryan, quit trying, you're through. Then murder these boozers, know how to prove. Why they living the lie, trying to silence the truth. They be huffing and puffing when up in the stew, but be calling the truth. So we start dropping nukes, I'll be dropping the deuce right on top of you flukes. I don't fuck with no fake niggas, I'm a recluse. If you suicidal, I'm tying the noose. And I tell you to die till you dive off the roof. You would never survive if I slide with the tool. And you're nothing but wolves trying to hide in the wool. But y'all fucking with lions, I'm proud of us too. And the whole tribe is hungry, y'all looking like food. There's really no telling what I'm finna do. When I sit 100 proof, I get right in the mood. But you're really not bothered, just lying the tube. I've been rap my whole life, I still try to improve. Every track that I'm on, I've got something to prove. When we play it to win, they just try not to lose. Got the pedal to the metal when they driving on crew. The killer with the mask on, I'm about to blast on these pussy get rappers. I really think they need a tampon. Come to the competition, homie, this is not no dance song. Come through with the tools and I'm not talking about no step on everything that I've been saying in my raps. I'm a stand on, never running out, I guess I got stamina, I'ma last long.
If I run out of fuel, cause I won't, what the fuck y'all gon' do? If I don't run out of fuel, down, scares the fuck out of you.
Take a hop inside the mind of accomplishments. I drop the pen to feel the wind. The red ain't that clock, you just depend. The big pen of a proper bender. Block you in the pick pen, don't you play pretend. The copper in the polish in the right lines. With my third eye iris leaves, I'm too high with my mind, don't hand to pen. Too compliment, backwoods, I'm living right in the boondocks. Never give a fuck about a spot, no matter who high. Quick draw, leaving the mind blown. The 5 shots, leaving the scene like no Biggie, I'm Tupac. Kicking the dough, hopping dough, not the reload. Hop in the booth, I'm too cold, it's not team nose. No amigos, get a bite of beef with me. Cause I can see right through the peephole. Lying through the teeth of false that they bring. I'm laughing with the better raps of the kings. Lower classing with the better glasses on the focus, the level, the scope in the ring. Fuck a label, I don't need a label. What they label me just to claim me what I ain't. I'm bringing the power of heavy showers. I'm an overcast, I'm bringing lead to the paint. Not picture perfect when I pick the bones. Pick apart the paper, writing tones. Practice isn't given through the phone. It's higher level, brushing what I hold. Heavy weighing when I drop a load. Back is stronger, walking woods alone. Backs turn, leaving the past burn. I got nerves, every single step is another weapon to act first. Got that dirt, cause I earn my peace. Minimal limits in how I grow that seed. Multiple years through the pain I grieve. Tribulations through the trials to feed. Stomach growling was the family of 3. Moving so much that I face up to bleed. Never know what it was like to be living higher. We was higher to struggle to breathe. Comfortable bumping the audio, saying adios and freestyle into the beat. Always been a problem, look how I got him. Follow to come closer to me. Take a step to get knocked back 3. I hit across the lake, caught by lead. Fishing the drag of a heavy stream to get ahead of the blue grass of green. Never was money to get what I wanted. I put my head down and turn nothing to something. They know how I run it. Every repercussion, no weapon is loaded for anyone coming. Knock you down the field when I blow. Down the window, feel wind high low. To the window, to the wall. Never lose the sweat to these motherfuckers that never wanna show. Round for round, pound for pound. Got the trailer with the steady bounce. My trailer's full with the snakes in the grass. So motherfuckers try to wrap around.
Cause I won't, what the fuck y'all gon' do? If I don't run out of fuel, down, scares the fuck